Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's consumer electronics within South Africa. In this video guys, we're going to be jumping into the condenser within your LG dryer and the secret behind every perfectly dried load. So without wasting further more time, let's jump into today's video. So as your clothes are tumbling inside your dryer, the warm air passes through the drum collecting moisture from your fabric. This humid air flows through the condenser where it is going to get slightly cooled, causing the moisture to turn into water, and that gets stored into a tank. The dryer then recycles the now dry warm air back into the drum, causing your clothes to dry efficiently and evenly without any humid air slowing down the process. It's just like water droplets forming on the outside of a cold glass on a hot day. And here's the clever part. LG dryers actually clean the condenser for you automatically during each cycle. Using the water from the moisture in your clothes, the system helps flush the condenser, preventing lint and residue from building up. This means no manual cleaning, no blocked airflow, and no wasted energy. So the next time you pop in a load, remember it's the LG condenser working behind the scenes to dry your clothes efficiently, reliably, and effortlessly. Guys, thank you so much for watching this entire video, and if you did enjoy it, a like and a subscribe will be highly appreciated. And if you guys have furthermore questions, to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll try my level best to get to them. But as always guys, stay good until the next one.